To transfer the information obtained in the field back to the Job Manager program on the PC requires you to connect your PDA back to the PC with the USB cable provided in your T3i suite. Once this is done and the Job Manager program is running, the new information will be indicated as a red arrow as shown. By clicking on the plus sign next to the red arrow and expanding the subtree, it will show the job and the scan logs taken in the field. Press the Transfer button to transfer all the new jobs and scan logs to the Job Manager program. At this stage, the information will appear in the Local Jobs panel and is stored on the PC. Once the transfer is complete, the information on the PDA can be deleted by highlighting it and either selecting Delete from the File menu or right-clicking above the entry and then selecting Delete. Once the customer data is transferred to the Local Jobs panel of Job Manager, a report can be generated to inform your clients of the results of the termite inspection activity. The reports are generated by the Report Generator program, which can be run from the icon on the desktop or from the Job Manager program. The TermaTrack report is created as a supplement to a timber pest report. It does not take the place of a timber pest report, but provides an additional document where termite activity information and readings can be documented. This information can then be referenced by the main timber pest report. The format of the report is a heading block followed by the termite inspection information arranged in order by all of the areas inspected at a location. The report heading block will contain information which is extracted from the details in the Job Manager program. This will be pest inspector details, date and time of inspection, timber pest report reference, location, customer. The termite inspection information will be arranged in a series of sections with the section name being an area at the location. For example, internal ground lounge or internal level 1 bedroom. Under each section or area heading will be the subheadings for each of the sensors used in the inspection activity, followed by a summary for that area. For example, if the radar, thermal sensor and moisture sensor were all used for internal ground lounge, the following subheadings would appear: internal ground lounge, radar scan, thermal scan, moisture scan, summary. To create a report from the Job Manager program, perform the following steps. Highlight the job in the Local Jobs panel. From the File menu, select Generate Report or click the right mouse button and select Generate Report. The Report Generator program will start showing the details extracted from the Job Manager in the Preamble tab. This information can be updated with the exception of the date and time information. Click on the Add Record button to create an entry for an area that was inspected. The Record tab will now be selected in the Report Generator program and optionally, summary information can be added. Click on the Add Scan Log button and select the scan log for the area being reported on. Click on the OK button to add this scan log to the report. Click on the Add Scan Log button to add additional logs for this area. Click OK to add these to the report. Select the Record tab to create a new record for another area and repeat the previous steps. The sequence of the scan logs and areas can be arranged by selecting the heading in the left-hand panel and click on the up or down arrow icons. When all of the scan logs have been added, the report generator screen may look like this. When all of the areas have been included in the correct sequence, select the File menu and then select Generate. The report generator will ask for a location where the Generate report will be saved to before creating the rich text format document. Choose any report name, however a decimal point or dot should not be used as any part of the file name. Report Generator will append a .rtf suffix to the file name automatically. The report will be created and will be automatically opened in the editor pre-selected by Windows for the RTF format documents. At this stage, the report format and contents will be changed or updated with the exception of the scan information obtained from the T3i device.